Hi fam, my name is Mulita. If you don't know, that's because you're new here. Now, I'm not sure how you found this channel, but it's important to me that you stay. Oh, I did this hairstyle on TikTok, and few of my people on TikTok want an in-depth video, so I decided to take out two of these to show them. Okay, so yeah, I'm not crazy. I need some rubber bands. I got rubber bands in here. Crochet hook. Somebody asked me what is this that I used to loop my hair. This is crochet. This is a crochet hook, okay? So yeah, you're gonna need this. The Cuban Twist hair, I will find an Amazon link and link it down below, but I got mine from the beauty supply. That's where I got it. And it's 18 inches. Somebody also asked how many inches was it. It's 18 inches. I did show the packaging on TikTok as well. But like I said, I will find a link and link it. So I use 2 strands of each per twist. My oil mix, I have 2 videos of this oil here on YouTube. If you check it, you're going to see exactly how I make it. Because I just took my hair from in this twist, I'm going to spray it with some water. I will go in with some of my Shea Moisture Hair Max. Is a leave-in treatment. Use my easy brush and just brush through it. So now my hair is moist. Take my rubber band and put some oil on it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and rubber band this section. Notice when I'm rubber band, I'm not just going, I'm gonna tuck on it to make sure that it's not super tight. Even if I'm gonna tighten it, will be after I put the hair through. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and tighten it, then release that. Okay, and just make sure the oil is in it. So what I like to do is, it's not necessary, it's not a must, but this is just me. I will usually just twist it. If I'm parting up all my hair, I will twist it and then put it aside. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this here, separate it, and take my crochet, open the hook, and for the first one, I'm going to go ahead and put it right here in the front, right? Loop it through here and pull it out, okay? And then take the next strand, and I'm going to put this across. And what I explain is the reason why I do this is to hide the, so you see I'm putting it across, and the reason for that is to hide the rubber band, because it's easier that way. It's just this hairstyle is meant to be easy, so anything that we can do to get it to be easy, that's the way we want, what that's the way I want, so yes, now that I have one across here, the other one here, I don't have to do much to hide that rubber band. So I'm gonna go ahead now and get the section from each side and bring them together, just so you know even them out. And I use 2.5 pack of hair for this, for the entire head, and I have 20 twists in total in my hair. This is my third time using this hair, so the any hanging strands, I'm just gonna get that, and again put this hair like this. Take my natural hair, since they're already in twist, I'm just gonna take it, each side is gonna go on one side. Now you can pull it at this point if you want it to be tight, and I'm just gonna do just that, but not super tight to where it's uncomfortable. Then I'm gonna go ahead and loosen up my natural hair so that it can blend in with the Cuban twist here. See that? So it's easier to protect your hair there. So what I was saying is, you see how I'm about to do this? I'm not gonna be like doing the regular twist, like the rope twist like this. So if you do the rope twist like this is what you're gonna get. You see that? When you turn your hands and do like this is what you're gonna get. This is a tighter twist compared to this one. You see? So we're gonna go back. You see that? Yeah, this is a tighter twist and it makes the hair small. So if you want the hair to be fluffy, you're gonna go ahead and again we pull it, we get it blended, and you're just gonna wrap it. You see that? I'm just wrapping it around, wrapping it around. I'm not twisting my hands. Nope. I'm just wrapping it around. And that's how you get the fuller and fluffier look. So you see, the more looser you twist, the fluffier and bigger it looks. The tighter you twist on it, the smaller it gets because you're squeezing it. So yeah. And then when I get to the end, just to secure, that's where I kind of like, twist and twist around. Just to, yeah. And that's what we got. Okay. So let's do the other one. All right. Remember, my hair is now dry a bit. It has oil in it, but it's a bit dry. So I'm going to go in with the spray. It has some water and oil in here. I just put my oil mix in here. When go in with my hair max, go in with a dab of my hair max treatment and just go in with the hair and then take some oil on my finger, well, hair butter grease, and just go in again with to my hair to keep it. Take the easy brush and brush through it. Taking my rubber band and some oil on my finger, I'm going to rub that on the rubber band to avoid breakage on my hair. And I'm going to go back in. While putting my rubber band, I will not do it tight. I can pull it and adjust it later on, okay? So to make sure that your hair is not tight, just go like that. But you can sense when your hair, when you're tying it tight anyways. But I always like to do that because it works. And it's used to me. That's really why I do it, you know? So yeah, now we got that. And I'm gonna do the twist again. You don't necessarily have to, but it just keep the hair out of your way for the meantime. So I'm just gonna twist it up, gently undo them. And this is so I'm able to maintain this hair for so long because I'm gentle with it. So yeah, taking one section of the hair, starting with the front. You don't necessarily have to start with the front. Just make sure you're crisscrossing it. And then I'm gonna go in, crochet that, go in with the second one, and that's gonna go to the side. And I'm gonna crochet that right in. See? Now I'm gonna take each end to make sure again they're even out and pull away any strands. Then put this like so. Then I'm gonna open up the twist and then pull it to give it a little bit of tightness. Not that tight, but freshly done hair kind of tight. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and talk on it a bit again. Loosen up my hair so it can blend easily into the the twist. Okay, and yeah, as you can see, my hair is super moist. Again, you're gonna just wrap around. When you're twisting, remember you're not twisting like this. You're not doing like a tight rope twist, so you don't gotta do nothing to your hands. You see that? That's small. That's really tight. So we will undo that and loosen up everything, and then just go ahead and wrap it around. And just go ahead. You're just wrapping it around. You're literally just wrapping it. You're not doing any like twist, squeeze to it. Just wrapping it around it. Wrapping it. This I did it like a middle part, but I don't keep middle parts. I'm not really big on middle part. So then I'm just gonna go ahead and flip it to my good side. Flip it to my good side, and this is what we got. Nice and fluffy. All right, this is it, my signature rope twist, jumbo twist. I don't know however you call it, but this is my protective style and I love it. If you get to do this, leave me a comment down below. Let me know how easy was it for you, but I'm telling you, it's super easy. Anybody can achieve this hairstyle. Even my little daughter could do it. Like, honestly. If you are not yet subscribed, please be sure to subscribe. When you do, hit that notification bell so you will not miss another video from me again. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.